Good evening. Right now it's about 11 minutes past 6 in the evening, and today is 22nd of February 2021. Hope you guys are doing well. And Nifty had a massive fall today of roughly about 300, 320, 330 points. Huge fall. And this is market summary that I'm doing for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today is the fifth day when Nifty has been falling on a continuous basis, right? Now, what could be the outlook for tomorrow, right? It may come down to about 14,665, right? Um, it may come down to this point, where it may take a little support and a little bounce can be expected, right? Major reason for saying that is basically that the metal sector is positive. Usually I always keep saying if the metal sector is positive, Nifty will not fall. But today, except metal, all the sectors were negative. And majorly the one which was negative was the media sector. Media was massively negative, right? IT was massively negative. Reality was very highly negative. PSU banks. Pharma was heavily negative. Auto sector was pretty negative. Nifty itself was about 2% down. Infra about 2% down. Service is about 2% down. CNX 200 is almost like 1.9% down. Energy sector was down. So almost all the sectors were negative except the metal sector, right? In spite of being so positive, it could not hold Nifty's positive move, right? So, but yet, I believe that if metal sector could cross 3641, I we can expect some kind of a little bounce in Nifty. Um, let's see how it goes tomorrow. All right. So all the sectors, the media was actually the dragging one, right? If you look into the Z network, or you look into PVR, or you look at Inox Leisure, all the stocks which were basically related to the media and or IT, right? Whether you look into HCL Tech Mahindra, TCS, Infi, Mindtree, um, Naukri, all of them were really in a good fall. So now what am I expecting? I'm expecting Nifty to take a little support somewhere, right? Maybe it'll come down till this point tomorrow, till about 14577 or 14550, and then may take a little bounce, right? That's what I'm expecting. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. So what I have done, I have filtered out a few stocks for you people so that you can keep them on your radar. And I'll also be posting those stocks on my Twitter handle so that you can get the correct entry, exit, and position where do you need to position. So guys, I today, I had given a call. I've given an IOC call, right, which hit the stop loss. But see, when we sit in the market, this is possible, right? And if Nifty is going down by almost 350 points, then do you think a particular stock will not have its impact? So this stock also fell massively, and I think a wise person should have exited it, right? When you see the Nifty is getting negative, you should have exited it at around one or somewhere around like that. But anyway, that prudence is yours. What capacity of risk, how much risk can you take? So that capacity is yours, and you need to decide that you would like to hold or you would like to exit. So anyway, I have 4 stocks for you on my radar. So the first one of them is NIT Tech. This is how NIT Tech looks as of now. My entry is going to be, it's been consolidating, right? Over this period, it's consolidating. But if you have a look at the price, right? Have a look at the price. Price is slowly, gradually shifting in the upward direction, right? Look at the bottom of each candle. It's shifting in the upward direction, right? And the how it's happening is also in tiny candles form. That means some kind of accumulation is continuously happening in this particular stock. And when the time will come, right, you have to buy it above 210.5, right? When this high is broken, this place is broken, or you can safely take it at about 211, right? Buy it above 211. Our stop loss is going to be somewhere around 196, 197. So about 15 points stop loss, and our target will be minimum 10%. That means if we enter at about 212, 130, 132, this could be our target, right? This place could be our target. But before that, we will have a first target at 220, then 224, and then 230, 228, and then our final target is going to be 232. Then another very nice stock on my radar is Raymond's, right? Raymond's is looking extremely good to me. So if I just show you, yesterday the volumes have come into it, right? Yesterday volumes have appeared in this particular stock. See, the volumes have appeared, right? But the stock has not broken its high, right? So if it goes above 382.55 or 383, I'm expecting a really good move up because it's been also consolidating for quite many days. So if I just have a look at it from this somewhere here, November onwards, it's just been consolidating, right? And the breakout has just come yesterday. And because Nifty was negative today, the stock has not given a decent move. So I'm expecting above 383, it should actually give a good blast. Then I have on my radar Gravitas, right? It's a small valued stock. And where do we need to enter over it? If you see that there has been good volumes in the past one and a half, 2 months. Good volumes have been, getting added into the stock, and it made a high on 5th of January of about 89. Now again, after almost one and a half month, if it crosses 89, I'm expecting again a target of 100, right? So roughly about 10 to 12% is what I'm expecting. Our stop loss will be 80. Our entry will be at 89. The first target is going to be 100, and if it crosses 100, sorry, first target is going to be 95. There has been a major resistance out here. So first target will be 95.95, and then the next target will be somewhere around 100, a round-up figure, and then the next target is going to be 110, right? That's going to be my last target. So I have already given Adani Green, right? I have already given, but I feel this is a really good stock. And if you notice, on this particular day, which is 27th of November, volumes appeared. Huge quantity has been bought. And the high of that has yet not been broken, right? So what I'm expecting, if the stock goes above 1160, we will definitely be expecting 1220 for sure. And if 1220 is crossed, then I'm expecting 1300, 1350, 1400, 1450, and 1500. Here my time period is going to be 6 months, right? Because I'm giving you almost like 40% of target, so I'm expecting at least 6 months. So guys, my quick recap of what I've discussed today. First and foremost, Nifty has had a major fall today. So if it takes a support at 14550 or 14555 or 14560, that's a zone from it where it may take a support. So in case Nifty takes a support, a little bounce can be expected. If it breaks, then I'm expecting it to come down to 14,200 or so. But if there are few stocks that have filtered, Nitech, buy above 211. Raymond's, you go to buy above 383. Gravitas, you can buy above 89. Adani Green, you can buy above 1160. These are my 4 stocks. So take care and remain connected to me on my channel, on my Telegram channel, official Telegram channel here. You can be connected with me out here. And here we keep posting our trades, our analysis, and everything, right? So remain connected over here, and we will be updating you with some more, forthcoming events very soon. Some news, some good, excellent way of following my trades will be there, and it'll be very official and authentic source. So remain connected and take care. All the best and make money along with Stock Pro. Bye bye. See you. Wait a sec. I'll show you my Twitter handle. So this is my Twitter handle, right? You will be able to find all these stocks out here, right? All these stocks will be here, and this is the performance of my stocks. I have given IDFC almost like 20% up, CESC 3.5% up, TIINDA is 23% up, IFL almost 100% up, ATGL is 38.5% up, and so see here, you have barely, like, the stocks which didn't trigger, then trigger, but the ones which triggered gave you good money. See, I've given already on 17th February Adani Green. Today you can see it has given a breakout. Today it has given a breakout, right? So remain connected, you will make money, that much I can promise. But once in a while अगर छोटा मोटा stop loss hit हो जाता है तो that's okay. Don't think that you need to judge anybody for one stop loss or two stop losses. If multiple stop losses hit, then you can say yes, your analysis is always wrong. But mostly my analysis is correct, and I really want you guys to make money, and I really put in a lot of effort for that. So all the best, guys. Take care. See you, and join me on my Twitter handle. Join me on my Telegram channel, and of course, you are on the YouTube. All the best. Take care.